Hi again. Okay, so we did our transformations, we've graphed quadratics. We are now ready to solve quadratics by graphing. I don't know if we're going to like this method or not, but we have to learn every method. But keep in mind, the huge shortcut is coming. Just give ourselves a few more videos, a few more lessons. In fact, maybe only one or two, and the shortcut and the major Algebra 1 formula, the quadratic equation in the discriminant is coming. But for now, be patient. Basic. Make an XY table. Solve for coordinates and graph. When asked to solve, they mean solve for zeros. You can have either 2, 1, or no zeros. So solving an equation doesn't mean just graph it and now you're finished. Remember, you're looking for where your zeros are, where the parabola crosses the x-axis. And of course, on a graph, that could be subjective because it's very difficult to be precise. That's why we prefer algebra with equations. But that's okay. We're in algebra and it's coming. You find the zeros of the x-axis where the y-coordinate is always 0. You can graph the equation, estimate the zeros, but to prove the solution, you must substitute x into the original quadratic and test it. The y value must equal 0 to prove the 0. If the parabola never passes through x, then there are no solutions. That's it. Here's the quiz for it. I give you 4 simple questions. All you need to do is list the zeros. So for 1 through 4, I know you can't graph them and send that back to me. That's okay. It says you graph it at home. I know you're graphing it on graph paper at home. What I need you to tell me is what are the zeros you got after you graphed it. And of course, number 5, they went straight to this and back to that formula for height and dropping an object. Extremely important for part of Algebra 1. You will see it on a lot of algebra type tests. And that's it. So that was a nice fast video, 2.5 minutes. Enjoy, be careful, and do the best you can. Thanks.